In this example, we are to graph 8x plus 4y equals 12. It is in the form of ax plus by equals c, which is a linear equation which will graph into a line. They're asking us, though, to first solve for y. We want to get y by itself. To do that, I'll subtract 8x from each side. The 8x's cancel out, leaving 4y is equal to. Now these two terms are not similar, so I will just write 8x plus the 12. And then we want to get y by itself, which means a coefficient of 1. So to maintain equality, each term will be divided by 4. The 4's cancel out, leaving y equals. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2x, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. We've transformed this equation into an equivalent form, which you're going to see if I'm graphing this by finding points is going to be a much easier form to find those points than in the original form that it was presented here. So this is the equation we'll use to find the corresponding value once we determine a coordinate for the other one. Again, an easy value to work with when solving a graph is to let x equal 0. The y that corresponds with that will be found by replacing x with the value we've chosen, and simplifying, we get a 0. When we multiply, plus 3 results in 3. So we have the point 0, 3, or the ordered pair. Let x equal 1. Replacing 1 for x and simplifying the multiplication first, negative 2 plus 3 results in 1. So we have the ordered pair 1, 1. If we let x equal a negative 1 and replace it in our equation, multiplying first, negative times negative is a positive, plus the 3 simplifies to 5, which gives us the ordered pair x, negative 1, with a corresponding value of 5 for y. Now each one of these points would also satisfy this original equation, and we could plug those in to verify that yes, in fact, they are. To graph this, we now have 3 ordered pairs, so we'll graph those points. 0 displacement in the x direction with a corresponding positive 3 in the y, positive 1 in the x direction with a positive 1 in the y direction results in that point, and a negative displacement on the x direction with a corresponding 5 positive in the y direction results in that point. These 3 points are collinear, they lie in a line, and when we draw the line, this line is representing continuing off in opposite directions, indicated with the arrows, an infinite number of solutions to this equation.